Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a cinnamon latte made from home. So if you're interested in seeing this, stick around. Okay, the ingredients are so super simple. I just pulled out my coffee bin, I guess you would say. This stays in my cabinet. And I have cinnamon and sugar, and then my instant coffee. You could use instant coffee or instant espresso. And next you will need a French press or anything that you can froth milk with. I also have an electric one. It's like a handheld thingy. It's super cool. I got it from Daiso. They also have some at Dollar Tree, and they're not battery operated, but they're still pretty awesome. And first thing you want to do is put your warmed milk into the French press, and you're just gonna froth it away. Now, a typical latte will have half very strong coffee or espresso, and the other half will be your frothed milk. So that's why I'm not putting measurements, because that's totally up to you how much you're gonna make. And yeah, so just use about half milk, half espresso or coffee. One way I like to measure the half milk, half espresso / coffee is by pouring my milk into my cup first before I warm it up, so I can see kind of the halfway point. And then now you want to take your coffee. You can brew it regularly, but I just found that instant coffee or instant espresso works best for this. So I take my hot water, I pour it halfway in, and you still use the same amount of coffee you would if you were having a full glass of coffee. And I use a medium blend coffee, but you can use whatever you like. If you don't like coffee very strong, you can definitely use like a blonde. But I just use about the regular scoop as a regular cup of coffee. And this is about a tablespoon of coffee in half a cup. And this is instant, and I get it from Walmart. It's so cheap, guys. Definitely use instant. I've tried the whole using like a pod, like a Keurig pod, and it just doesn't come out right. And at this point, you can add your liquid sweeteners. I love using the hazelnut. However, I am out, which is why I'm using a cinnamon sugar mix. And if you do use those liquid sweeteners, the different flavor varieties, you won't need to add any sugar because those are already sweetened. Even if you are keto and you're using those no sugar added ones, you definitely won't need to add any of your sugar that you are using, like coconut sugar or anything. So now it's time for the frothed milk. Now you can get fancy smanchy and make designs like they do at Starbucks, but I don't. I just kind of pour it in and I swirl it with a little spoon, and I'm good to go. Now, if you are like me and you like iced lattes, you basically just brew your coffee however you do, add ice, add your milk. Remember, half coffee, half milk, and you don't need to froth it or anything. It's just like that, good to go. And that's how you make an iced coffee, but this way is my favorite.